to my channel. Today I am going to say the part 2 of ions and radicals. In the first class you guys have learnt about the ions, formation of ions, radicals, electrons, electron configuration, protons, neutrons, nucleus, atom, 1 to 20 elements, 1 to 20 elements, and valency, what is valency, and you have even learned positive valency, monovalent, bivalent, trivalent and tetravalent. Then there is no, now I am going to say there is no tetravalent. Actually tetravalent is in negative ones like C minus 4, S minus 4 like that. So now I am going to, in the before ones I have told you all positive ones, and negative I have only told monovalent. In bivalent, let's see. Now here what is here it is oxygen is a need to lose oxygen as a bivalent valency, bivalent negative bivalent valency. Bivalent positive means it loses 2 electrons or it donates 2 electrons to be stable. And in oxygen, negative means it gains. So here in oxygen it gains 2 electrons to get the configuration of neon. So O minus 2. Now here if calcium has plus 2 which donates, and phosphorus sulfur is it gains 2 electrons to get the configuration of argon. So S minus 2. And what else are there? We have carbonate, CO3 minus 2. And what else do we have? S minus 2, SO3 minus 2 and SO4 minus 2. Yes, we have SO3 minus 2, SO4 minus 2. This is sulfide, this is sulfide, this is sulfite. Wait, I am thinking that I wrote a bit wrong. Did you guys guess that? I wrote it wrong, I know that. Did you guys guess that? Yes, it's near here. It must be SO2 and SO3, not SO3 and SO4. This is sulfite and this is sulfate. This is carbonate, this is oxide and oxalate, O2 minus 2 is also there. These are the bivalent. So these are the bivalent ones. Now let's go for trivalent. Trivalent, guess the ones like trivalents are the ones which receive 3 electrons to be stable. Like this. So nitrogen N minus 3. We have nitrogen N minus 3 which gains 3 electrons to get the configuration of neon. So trivalent. So trivalent, we got N minus 3, same as phosphorus, P minus 3, and PO3 minus 3 and PO4 minus 3. Now this is nitride, this is phosphide, and this is phosphate. And now these are the trivalent, even etc. more are there. Now let's go for crisscross methods. Actually this method is used to make compounds. Now suppose I have given few so what is the valency of iron? So I gave Fe valence. This is a hint valency box. So Fe is having 2, O also 2. Here in crisscross method we don't need minus or plus. We only require the value. N3. Just remove this N. Go for Na, sodium, which has 1, and Cl, which has 1, and aluminium, which has 3, and so I have given these. Now let's go for ferrous oxide. Fe plus iron has variable valencies. It means that iron has valency 2 along with valency 3, which I am going to discuss later. So Fe, now I have given ferrous oxide. Now ferrous means ferrous is given to the least in variable valencies, and ferric is given to the most, Fe2 and Fe3. So here we have the valency 2, and here we have the oxygen valency 2. We actually crisscross this in such a way that we get Fe2O2. But in few cases, in this kind of case, when the valencies are equal, we just cancel the valency, which we get FeO, ferrous oxide. Now I will give another sodium oxide, or let's go for aluminium oxide. Okay, aluminium oxide. So here in this aluminium oxide, what is the value of aluminium? Al3 and oxygen O2. Now we crisscross this 3 and 2, which we get Al2O3 is the formula for aluminium oxide. And I have told you, right, if I give you NaCl, sodium chloride, we take Na1Cl1. So cancel 1, which we get NaCl. So this is the crisscross method. So these are the examples. I will give you few in the comment section below, and you guys must answer it. Now let's go for variable valencies. What are even variable valencies? Variable valencies are the valencies that are the valencies of a metal having. When a metal has 2 or more valencies, one, like if we guess, I have told you, right, iron has a valency 2. I told you guys that iron has valency So the lower value and the upper value. U of iron is Fe plus 2 or Fe2 and Fe plus 3 or Fe3. These are the lower values. Now we write this as ferric, this one as ferrous. We write this one as ferrous oxide. We denote any lower value of any variable valencies of metals. There are only variable valencies for metals. For the lower value we write as us at the end. We keep the suffix us, and here we keep in the upper value we keep the suffix s. Suffix here s and here ic. So ferrous and here ferric. Even silver has Ag1 and Ag2. So silver also has silver like Ag1 and here Ag2. Here it is here we use the Latin word of silver. Latin word of what's the Latin word of silver? Argentum, right? So here argentus, argentic. Argentus and argentic. So it's ferrous, ferric, argentus, argentic, and the king of variable valencies is manganese. It has Mn2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We call Mn2 as ferrous and remaining as not ferrous. Manganese as manganous, and remaining we call as manganese 3, manganese 4, manganese 5. So in such a way that we don't need to learn five suffixes for manganese. What did I say? The upper value is ic, has a suffix ic, and the lower value has the suffix us. So these are the variable valencies and the crisscross method. That's all for today. Coming up with new topic the next day. If you like this topic, please like, share and subscribe. It's the last but not the least, please click the bell icon beside the subscribe button. Thank you.